It's a 2018 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, 4 12-volt power outlets, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.